The male reproductive system, located in the pelvic region, includes the testes, accessory ducts, accessory glands, and external genitalia. The testes are covered by a sac-like skin called the scrotum, which lies between the penis and the anus. It hangs outside the body so that the testes are maintained at 2 to 3 degrees Celsius less than the body temperature to produce sperms. The testes are oval in shape, with a length of about 4 to 5 centimeters and a width of about 2 to 3 centimeters. Each testis has 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Each lobule in turn contains 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules. The lining of each seminiferous tubule is called the germinal epithelium and contains the male germ cells known as the spermatogonia and Sertoli cells. The male germ cells undergo meiotic division to form mature sperm cells. This process is called spermatogenesis. The Sertoli cells provide nutrition to the germ cells. Interstitial cells produce male hormones called androgens, for example, the testosterone. Rete testes, vasa efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens are the male accessory ducts. Rete testis is a network of ductules formed by the seminiferous tubules. Vasa efferentia affiliates to the ductules that arise from the rete testes. They collect the sperms and transfer them to the epididymis. The epididymis is a long, narrow, and highly coiled tubule present along the posterior surface of the testes. It is divided into 3 parts, and its function is to temporarily store the sperms and nourish them. The epididymis meets the vas deferens that ascends into the abdomen and curves around the ureter and loops over the urinary bladder. It extends backwards and receives ducts from the seminal vesicle and finally opens into the urethra as an ejaculatory duct. The urethra extends through the penis to the urethral opening called the urethral meatus. The urethra is a common passage for both urine and semen. The male accessory glands include a pair of seminal vesicle, a prostate, and a pair of bulbourethral gland. They secrete seminal fluids containing fructose and prostaglandins. The prostate gland is present at the base of the urinary bladder around the base of the seminal vesicle. It opens into the urethra through many ducts. The prostatic fluid contains calcium, citrate, and phosphate ions. The bulbourethral or corpus gland is a pea-sized structure lying behind the prostate gland and at the base of the penis. Their secretion helps in the lubrication of the penis. The external genitalia in males is called the penis. It is a copulatory organ and is covered by a loose sheath of skin. The skin having over the tip of the penis is called the prepuce or foreskin. The tip of the penis covered by the prepuce is called the glans penis. The penis, urethra, vas deferens, and corpus gland together help in copulation and in the deposition of sperms within the female.